Standard 9 English Medium Maths Chapter 4 Linear Equation in 2 Variable First Lecture.
Now, today we will start chapter number 4, Standard 9 Medium English Maths. Linear equations in 2 variable. Linear equations with 2 variable. Before it, we will see some revisions of chapter number 3 because it is important. In chapter number 3 we have learned about plotting this one, but we did not practice of the fraction, plotting of point with fraction coordinates, okay, or a decimal के fractions આપણે એ टाइम पर not taken. So because in textbook it is not given, one little one is there, only this. So I have taken here some point. Plot this one, plot these points in the Cartesian plane, okay. 0 point, up to now we have taken integers, negative, positive, whole number 1, 3, 6, 1, minus 1, 7, 7, 9, but we have not taken the fractions or a decimal. In first example number 1, I have taken the decimal. How you will do it? 0.9 and 1 point plot here. So for this one you have to, as usual, draw the Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis, unit as usual, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axis, when the axis super apre. Now 0.1 and 1.2. Where is 0.1 and 1.2? I have taken this one. 0.1 and 1.2. Where is it? So here, see here, 0 to 1. How many parts are there? 0 to 1. How many parts are there? 10 parts. So each part's value of each part is 0.1, 0.2, 3, 4. That dark line is 0.5, middle, 0.6, 7, 8, 9 and 1. So in enlarge I have done here, that is my 1 centimeter. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.9 and it is 1. So at 0.9 I have taken the vertical line, I will draw the vertical line. Then 1.2, 1.2. Where is the 1.2 here? That is 1. That is 1. 1.1, 1.2, 1.2 here. Okay, like this. Here 1.9. Like this way. 1.2 I will take here. So it is here. Clear? Because that here I have written 0.2, 0.4, 0.8 to explain, and I have zoomed it. એને ખૂબ જ મોટું કરેલું છે એટલે તમને દેખાય. Here in this case you have to calculate it, તમારે કરવાનું. Suppose you want to 2.4 and 3.5. Where it is? So 2.4, that is 2.4 here. And what is your 3.5? 3.5 here. 2.4 and 3.5 you will get here. Clear? So I have taken 0.9 and 1.9. Due to some space limitations, I have taken 0 to 2. 0 to 2 ની વચ્ચે લીધું છે. But in homework I have given some examples. Okay? So 0.9 and 1.2. 0.9 and I have taken 1.2 here, so you will get this point, and that is A, is equal to 0.91 get it, and both are positive, so it is in first quadrant. Second, minus 1.2 and 1.4 ક્યાં છે 1.2 આમાં તો મારે 1.2 છે જ નહીં એમ કે અરે ભાઈ 1.2 minus 1.2 that is minus, then move to two parts 0.1.1 0.1.2 that is your 0.1 clear. Minus 1.2 to 1.4 1.2 to 1.4 that is 1 and that is 1.4, it is somewhat here, get it. ચાલો તો અહીંયા આગળ આપણે જોઈએ છે -1.2 that is 0.24561 that is 1.2 vertical line, and 1.4 where is it, that is your 1.4 horizontal line, so I will get it. તમને સમજ પડે એટલા માટે મેં આ મોટું કરી દીધેલું છે. ઓકે, કે હાઉ આપણે પેલી જેવી રીતે ઇન્ટીજર્સના લઈએ તેવી રીતે આ લેવાનું, બટ હિયર યુ હેવ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ઇટ ફ્રોમ ધેટ ઇન્ટીજર્સ નંબર -3.5 તો -3 where is it, then you have to count it where it is 0.50 -3.5, okay, like this. -1.7 and 1.4 -1.7, so 1.2 1.4 1.6 1.8 due to the space limitations I have not written the intermediate point, so I will get one between these 1.6 and 1.7 that is -1.7, got it, and 1.4 1.6 અને 1.8 ની વચ્ચે -0.17 લખી શકો ને, તમારામાં આવી જશે રેટુ, કારણ કે તમારા અંદર વચ્ચે 10 લાઈન 10 પાર્ટ, he has done the 10 parts, 10 પાર્ટ તમને already is this calibrated. ચાલો 1.4 and 1.4 1.4 where is it, is 1.4 here, 2 3 1 1.2 1.4 here, so you will get this point, that is your A, that is your B, B માં શું હતું -1.2 and -1.2 and 1.4. અહીંયા શું છે આપણે -1.C -1.7 and -1.4, both are negative, so it lies in the third quadrant, clear. Now D, 2.2 and 1.1, where is 2.2, where is 2.2, it is here 1 2 and that is 2.2 vertical line, right, and that second one what is here, -1.1 -1 that is 1.2, it is lies between -1 and 1.2 horizontal line, so that is your point D, 2.2 and -1.1, that is positive negative, so it lies in the third quadrant, fourth quadrant, clear થઈ ગયું. Then 0.7 and 0, that is your 0.7 here, and y coordinate is 0, so it is here 0.7 and 0. Where is it here? અહીંયા આપણે જોવા જઈએ તો ક્યાં આવશે, 5 6 7 અહીંયા, got it. ચાલો 0.70 0 1.7 0 and 1.7, where is your 0 0 and 1.7, 1.6 and 1.8 lies between them, that is your F point, 0 1.7. You know that when the x coordinate is 0, The point lies on the y-axis. Okay. Then 1.6 and 0. Minus 1.6. Where is minus 1.6 here? And 0. Where is it? Downward, upward, not same. That is point G. 1.6 and 0. Okay. Add 0 and minus 1.3. 0 and minus 1.3 here. 0 and minus 1.3. So it is on y-axis because x coordinate is 0. Here y coordinate is 0. So it is on the x-axis. Get it? Now in homework I have taken, because you can do it from minus 10 to 10 on x-axis and minus 13 to plus 13 on the y-axis. So I have taken some randomly some points 3.5, 6.5, minus 7.5, 7.9, minus 6.8, 9.3, 7.70. That is your homework. Okay, in PDF file I will take this photograph and send to you. Study करजो એટલે તમને આવડી જશે. Do you want it more in this? If you want it, I will try to draw this one. Some taken other parts. That is example number 1. In second example, I will take suppose 3.7, 3.4 and 6 upon 4 like this fraction. I will explain. That is example number 1. Okay, try this one. Locate to it. Okay, plot the following points on the Cartesian plane. Okay, example number 2. In first, we have learned about the decimal. Here only one thing is that these fractions are converted into the decimal. Then plot it. Suppose I have taken one simple example. Convert 7 upon 5 into decimal form. Do you know how to form? So 7 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 2 0 0. That is 4s are 20. So 7 upon 5 is equal to 1.4. Get it? You can convert it. Suppose you are given that 8 upon 3. Convert it into the decimal form. So 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Now 2 is remainder. Now take the decimal point 0, 0, 0.6. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 2 again 0, 0, 6 3s are 18. So it is repetitions. It is repetition. You have to take up to 2 decimal. Bad decimal should be used. This is 5 or more than 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you will add this one. 2.66 is just equal to 2.7. Take it is a 2.7. Suppose you are convert this 4 divided by 3. 4 ones are 4. 3 1 0 0. 3 3s are 9. 1 0 0. 3 3s are 9. So 1.333. So up to 1 decimal you have to plot it. Okay. So that is second. It is less than 5. So 1.33. Keep as it is 1.3. ख्याल आ गया कि सेकंड तमारो जो 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then add 1. If it is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep as it is. Clear થઈ ગયું? How to convert this one decimals, fractions into decimal. You know it, but I remind you. Okay, તમને ખબર છે પણ મેં તમને જરા remind કરાવી દીધું. Okay, now convert this one into decimal. 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 2. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 is equal to what? Tell me, speak. 3 divided by 2 ones are 2. 0.0105. 1.5. 1.5. And 5 upon 2 is equal to 2.5. Get it? Second, minus 7 upon 3. चलो एक कनेक्ट कर लिया. 7 divided by 3 2s are 6. 1 0 0 3s are 9. One more will be there. 2 digits સુધી જ આપણે જશું. It is less than 3, so I will take minus 2.3 and 5.3. 5.3 means what is 5.3? 5 1 3 ones are 3 2 0 6 18 6, so it is 1.7. Minus 8.3 2.66. Just now I do 2.60 minus 2.7 minus 1.54. 5 divided by 4 ones are 4. 1 0 0. 2s are 8. 0 0. 5s are. So 1.3 I will take minus 1.3. Okay, 12.4. 2.4. 2.4 and 8 upon 3 we have taken here minus 2.7. Now it is easy to plot this one. હવે તમારે plot કરવાનો આવે તો you can do it fast. So nothing, one step is there. Convert this fraction into decimal form. Then plot it according to the example number 1 માં આપણે જેવી રીતે કરેલું તેવી રીતે કરવા મળીએ. 1.5, where is the 1.5 and 2.4? That is 1. And where is the 2.5? 2.5 is not there in my case. 1 1 2 3 4 5. It is here. It is here. Okay, it is here. 2.5. It is here. Okay, now I will adjust it. 2 minus 2.3. Where is minus 2.3? Minus 2.3. That is 2. 22. 2.3. 2.3 and 1.7. Where is the 1.7? 1.7 is here. 1.7 is here and 2.7 is here. Got it? Okay. Then minus 2.7. Minus 2.7. 5 4 5 6 here. I will change it. 2.5 4 5 6 7. 2.4 here. 5 6 and 7. Okay, 2.6 2.7 and minus 1.3. Where is minus 1.3? Is here. So it is here. Okay. Now 2.4. Where is the 2.4? It is up to here. 2.4 and minus 2.7. That is also not included in it. So I will change this 5 upon 3. That is 1.7. 1.7. 1.7 is there? Yes, 1.7 minus 1.7. Okay, but you will get this one because in your graph notebook I show you minus 10 to plus 10, minus plus 10 to minus 10. It is nothing. Convert this fraction into decimal form and plot it as usual. બરાબર છે એ જ રીતે છે, બાકી કઈ છે નહીં. ઓકે, next times I will draw it in exact in your graph note. બરાબર, ગ્રાફ નોટના અંદર બી પાછું તમને એક વખત બતાવી દઈશ because in chapter number 4 such types of the fraction or decimal is there. So it is easy to plot it. તમને આવડતું હોય તો તમે સહેલાઈથી પ્લોટ તમે કરી શકો. Is it clear? Do this for try 1 2 3 4. Example number 2 for homework and that is your class work. Okay, that is lecture number 1 complete today.